Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Today I have an unboxing. This is from Steve's Leaves. I've got a couple of plants in here. One of them is kind of on my wish list. I've been after this for a little while. Finally just went ahead and got it myself. And another one that I used to have quite a while back, and I decided to get another one because the first one died. Okay, so let's get to it and I'll open this up. Okay, so Steve's Leaves had a sale not too long ago, and I saw a plant on there that I have been kind of waiting on another route to get to me, but it wasn't getting to me, so I went ahead and, you know what, let me just go this route, if that kind of makes any sense. And then I saw another one on there that I used to have a while ago that when I first started taking care of plants, and I didn't take very good care of it. I overwatered it. It was an epiphyte, and I didn't really know how to take care of it. I always love their cards. So here is the two that I ordered. Okay. I always like the way that they package theirs. Just put this down here. And that they always provide labels. Little labels for you, so you know exactly what's in what package. Ooh, a little bit of soil. It's been 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, like a day short of 2 weeks since I ordered these, but I ordered them on a Sunday. I guess they must have been busy, so mine wasn't shipped till the following Monday, like a week later. And then I received it on Thursday. Oh, and there she is. This is Philodendron Mikins. Beauty in every leaf. Rosie, I hear you scratching, but you can't come in. Oh, it's just gorgeous. And these were on sale. It doesn't say on here how much I paid for it, but I'm thinking this was $29.95. I'll look it up because it doesn't say on this packing slip. But I'm thinking this was $29. All right. Right. Come on. Sheesh. Yes, I know. Rosie. Rosalinda. You want it in. What did you want? You want me to give you a haircut and a bath? Because you need one. No? You're ignoring me now? So there is my first one. It is in a 4-inch little nursery pot. Philodendron Mikins. I had a cutting of this, and I still have it, but it's just like really 2 little strands. Every time leaves come out, they die off. And I just don't know what to do about it. This one looks nice and healthy. Leaves are big, new growth coming out. I'm going to leave it in this nursery pot, and I'm probably thinking that this nursery soil is pretty good because it seems happy enough. I'm just going to take a quick look. Still moist. Soil is moist. Oh, I actually see a couple of roots down at the bottom there. Well, just a couple there. I have a nice little 4-inch pot that I can put this in, a cover pot. I love it. It's gorgeous. So happy I got it. So put its little tag on it, like, you know, I'm not gonna know what it is. What it is here. Okay, so then the next one is an Epiphyte. And I used to have this when I lived at my last apartment, and I had it in a north window. I think that was the first problem, and I believe I watered it too much. So it didn't make it. And then we moved, and I just didn't get around to getting another one. Ooh, nice and big. And this is, well, the technical name is Epiphyte guatemalensis monstros, but I knew it as like a curly Sue. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Lots of leaves on it. Yeah, I knew it as like curly Sue or something like that. And I just didn't have the right settings for it. But this east-facing window here where I have other succulents, trailing succulents, I think it's gonna love it. So this one I think was $12.99, and I think it'll do well there. Let me just open it up some more here. Also has a paper towel, but this one isn't as moist because it doesn't need to be as moist. There's some green like growth on top of the soil, so it looks like a little bit of mold, which can happen. And root at the bottom, which is good. This one may be repotted before the Mikins, but look how pretty that is. I love it. I am really, really into trailing, hanging succulents and epiphytes right now, because the ones that I have on my east-facing windows are doing so well that you know, I'm feeling more confident. It's amazing how that happens. I'm feeling more confident in you know, getting other ones. But I'm really happy with this one. It's really nice. Lots of growth on it. So, there you have it. Finally got myself a Mikins. A really nice, good one. I'm not going to give up on those two little cuttings. You know, we'll see. They may come around. But I have one that is doing, you know, already very well grown. And I'm going to try again with little Sue here, curly Sue, in this Epiphyte. I don't think I'll mount this. I think I'm just going to leave it in a pot and hang it. But it could be mounted if I wanted to. I'm so happy with it. Thank you, Steve's Leaves. They always send such wonderful plants, so healthy. You know, I got my Monstera silta picana from them, and it's growing like crazy. Very, very healthy. And, you know, if you watch them, they do have great sales. So, you know, you can find some wonderful plants there that you may be on the market for at really good prices. So thanks so much, friends, for doing this quick unboxing with me, and I'll keep you updated. If you're not following me on Instagram already, make sure you do, because that's where I do all of my plant updates and post pictures of them and how they're doing in my stories and in my feed. So make sure that you are following me on Instagram. Thanks so much, friends. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'll see you in my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.